Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome aboard the Shans Express. We are glad to have you. Now, as the title states, I will be showing you guys how I make a simple DIY blackhead slash whitehead removal, because nobody likes those, right? This mask can also be used as a skin whitening mask, so it's multifunctioning, right? Alright, so before we jump into today's video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button below, right? So you can give this video a like, drop a comment down below also, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Alright, now without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to show you the items that are needed. First, some baking soda. You can use whatever brand you have. This is Arm & Hammer, and we'll be using 1 tablespoon of this. Secondly, you are going to need some toothpaste, preferably whitening toothpaste. Alright, and you're gonna need your measuring spoon, of course, or you can just wait. It really doesn't matter. You're gonna need a tablespoon of water, and you're gonna need a little bowl and something to mix your ingredients with, and a toothbrush. This is what you're going to use to apply the mask. Toothbrush. Let's get the ball rolling. Alright, so I have my tablespoon of baking soda. I'm just gonna pour that in there. Alright, so now I have my toothpaste, and I'm gonna be pouring this into. I'm so clumsy, but I'm gonna be pouring that in. Yeah, it's gonna take a while, but do it until we get it all out, right? Ta-da! Alright, so next I am going to be adding a tablespoon of water. This is filtered water that I'm using. And if you have super sensitive skin, you can use more water, but you know, I want to get the job done, so I'm just going to be using 1 tablespoon. Gosh, I'm so clumsy. What you're going to do now is mix. I'm going to mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Still mixing. Oh my god. If you hear like water droplets in the background, that's because my favorite thing is happening right now. It's raining. If you know me, you know I say I love rain. I love when it rains. Oh my gosh. So like after this video, I will be getting one of my favorite snacks. I'm gonna finish my dinner, and I'm gonna go in bed, and I am going to make myself comfortable because it's raining. And like I'm so excited right now that it's raining. I swear. I keep trying to tell people that I'm not crazy, but at the same time, I always end up I do something crazy or I sound crazy, and maybe it's just bad luck, but I'm not crazy, you know? I'm not crazy. I don't think so. Uno think so? Cause I don't know. Anyways, guys, this is basically the consistency that I have. So it's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's just perfect. Don't worry, I'm gonna be giving you guys a close up. Oh, wait for it. Now that we have the mixture down and it's good to go, we can start the application process. Now, you are going to need a rag and you're going to need to dab this in some warm water, and then you're going to apply it to your face, the areas that you will be applying the mask. And you're gonna hold it there for like 30 seconds so that your pores can open up. That way when you're applying the mask, you can get out all that gold easier. You understand me? It was easy. Alright, so I just put some warm water on my rag, and now I'm going to put it here because these are the areas that I will be applying this to. Ooh, and you can feel that warmth. Ooh, this is my problem area. I hope you guys can hear me. But this area, my problem area, so I'm gonna hold this for 30 seconds. Okay, so it's been 30 seconds, and if you guys want, you can always hold your face over a bowl of warm water. I just, for this specific project, I find the rag to be the best. So you're gonna get your mixture, you're gonna get your toothbrush, dip that in there. Stay with me, guys. You are going to go in like this. You wanna get the circular motion down. My nose ring is gonna be in the way a bit, but hey. And I'm sure you guys can see how my pores have opened up. That's thanks to the warm rag. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys can see up into my nose holes. Guys, listen. My eyes are always so super sensitive. Even when I'm putting on makeup, it's the worst. By the way, guys, I have a makeup video coming. No, this is not a makeup channel. However, I had to get my makeup done by my friend for a video, so I thought I'd just show you guys how she went about doing that. So no, I'm not deviating from my cooking and my DIY videos. This is just like a one-off video, you know? And I will be dropping that video soon, guys. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. My eyes are just so sensitive. And this is what I'm talking about. If you want it to be less, you could always use more water. I'm not gonna give in. I'm not going to give in. So I'm going to leave this on my face for about 3 minutes and then we remove. Be right back. Alright, so it's basically been 3 minutes. So I have my rag here, added more warm water, and I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this to basically remove the mask. My face feels amazing, guys. So you can just use the rag to massage or push out any excess blackhead, dirt, gunk, whatever you want to call it. Oh, sorry if I'm looking away from the camera. I'm just trying to look at my face. Oh, my face feels amazing. Now, at this point, you can basically use your favorite soap or face wash, whatever it is that you use, to give your face a nice little wash. Guys, my face feels amazing. I'm not exaggerating. It just feels, you know, it gets that little oomph. Yes, yes. I like this. I like this. I love this. I love when I use my face. My face feels amazing. But I'm sorry that you guys have to be looking up into my nose this much. Oh my gosh. This does even get out the oil and stuff out your pores. Like, it's amazing. These areas are normally filled with a lot of gunk. There's nothing there. It's clean. Oh my god. Yes guys, I know my eyebrows are awful, but I'm not a big makeup eyebrow person. I don't think I'll ever be. You know, normally when you do this to your nose, you see a lot of gunk come up. Look at that. Nothing. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber. And for those who don't have the notification bell on, please go ahead and turn it on so you can watch my video with you. It's best when you watch my video when it's new, because that helps YouTube to push my video out there. Yeah, the first 2 hours are critical, guys. I also want to give a special shout out to Wisteria. I am going to put the link for her channel down in the description. Head on over and check out her channel. She is the queen of DIY, guys. She is super talented. So head on over and check out her channel. She does DIY bed heads, DIY shelves, and I'm pretty sure you guys can learn something over there. So just go on out, do me this favor, go on and subscribe to her channel, check out her videos, and like her videos. Show us some love for me and let her know that the Shant experience sent y'all. Thank you guys for your continued support, and stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.